Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to increase iPhone battery health. To start, avoid extreme temperatures. Both very hot and very cold conditions can significantly degrade your battery over time. Aim to keep your iPhone's charge between 20% and 80% for optimal longevity. Also, enable optimized battery charging in your settings. This feature learns your daily charging routine to reduce battery aging. Finally, use low power mode when your battery is low to conserve power. Next, let's optimize your software settings. Lower your screen brightness or enable auto brightness to save significant power. Go into your settings and disable background app refresh for applications you don't use often. Similarly, turn off location services for apps that don't absolutely need your location. For email and other accounts, consider fetching new data less frequently instead of pushing it constantly. These small adjustments make a big difference. Developing smart charging habits is crucial for battery longevity. Always use Apple-certified chargers and cables to ensure safe and efficient power delivery. Try to avoid letting your battery fully drain to 0% too often, as this can stress the battery. If your phone case causes overheating while charging, remove it to allow for better heat dissipation. Ideally, begin charging your iPhone before its level drops below 20%. For advanced battery care, regularly check your battery health percentage in your iPhone settings. Keeping your iOS updated to the latest version is important, as updates often include battery optimizations and bug fixes. If your battery's maximum capacity drops below 80%, consider replacing it for optimal performance. Finally, if you notice unusual or rapid battery drain, try resetting all settings on your device.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.